We are almost at the Airboat tour. It's so exciting. And we are really in like no man's land. There's nothing to our left and nothing to our right. Huh? Oh, there's a cell phone tower. If we could focus, that's about it. And a truck driving really slow in front of us. So hopefully we'll get there sometime soon. I think it's only, what, a mile away?
2.6.
2.6 miles away. So we're here, and this place kind of looks more of like a resort than an airboat tour. There's a little check-in building over here. Looks like some restaurant thing and some other nice building. It's pretty freaking nice over here. Ooh, they got birds. Apparently they found one of those under a car at our apartment complex recently. I'm kind of wondering if this was real at one point in time. I would assume Wifey thinks that it was, but it just seems so big. Scary, I guess, because we've always just seen little ones around us. I don't know. Hello?
How are you? Hello?
I could have swore it's just said hello. Maybe I'm hearing things. No, it was definitely a bird voice.
Now you're not going to say anything?
Do cockatiels talk? You don't belong there, buddy. You're cute.
One of those things does not look like the other two.
Yeah, one of these things does not belong. Can you spot which one does not belong? that's the Stella of the group. Little tiny little pony. That was definitely a pony. Tortoise. Look at that thing, it's huge.
How old do you think it is?
It's got, I don't know, maybe like 100 years old. Maybe. We'll say it's 100 years old. This is apparently the hawk swamp. I'm guessing there's...
Reptiles and
Oh god, I hope we don't... Like the one thing that I definitely do not want to see
in the wild.
Snake. Fine with the alligator, more so than the snake.
I see one.
You didn't even need to give me this warning. I don't know if you guys can tell. There's like orange dots all over that spider. And it's eating a fly. Ew. Well, that's what nature sounds like in Florida, guys. On a swamp. Otters, snakes, turtles, alligators. Look carefully. You may see these animals in Hawk Swamp. I really want to see an otter.
I kind of want to see a snake but far away. Enough to see it, but...
but definitely not like right in front of you.
Right.
Yeah. I wouldn't mind an otter in front of us. I mean, I know that they're vicious. They can bite, but of course we're not going to see an otter or an alligator.
Where?
Right there.
Where?
Oddly enough, not even a gecko. I don't even see a gecko. This is complete. Leaves them three. Up. So here you guys go. So poison oak, poison sumac, and poison ivy. So leaves that are in 3, leave them be. So if you see a group of 3 leaves on a stem, don't touch it, guys. It's like it looks really, really cool. It's so relaxing. I kind of wish I had like a little canoe that we can go around the entire thing here. Can we have this our backyard?
No.
No?
I don't want too many critters in my backyard.
Oh gosh. Wifey doesn't want any critters in the backyard of the future home. This is up, by the way. Seen down a bunch of times, not up. Hi, trees. So we just learned from the sign over here that right there is a cypress knee, and it's roots that project above the water, and basically it acts as a snorkel to aerate the roots and keep the tree from, I guess, drowning. That is so cool. I never knew. I've seen them before. I just never knew what they were. And if you didn't know, now you know. This one right here is Wifey's favorite because it has a leaf. Oh God, it's like looking at me. Wifey loves this sign. Children equals gator snacks. That's amazing. That is a big freaking alligator right there. Oh my God. There you go, guys. There's a giant lizard with freaking giant teeth. It's unnecessarily big, dude. You are unnecessarily big. I go over here yawning. What are you doing with your mouth?
He's tired. He's nocturnal.
He's nocturnal. We're ruining everything for the owl. If I give you a message, will you deliver it for me? Harry Potter. I think Telebear would like to play with these kitties. I don't think they'll play with. There was like lots to do in this park. So if you ever in Florida, come to Wild Florida, because like this is just like a list of like all the different stuff that you can do. It's crazy. Lemurs are so cool. Is that your tail? You are like really fuzzy. Hey little wallaby.
Little ant.
Hey little wallaby.
Look it.
I guess one of these is a Zorse and one is a Zonky. I'm guessing the one that's on the right is a Zorse and the one on the left is a Zonky. Oh, you are really pretty. You only have like one like long feather. So we're all done. Looks like the best time to come here is the very first outing, which is at 9 a.m. Little tip is the second one at 10 a.m. Crazy. Tons of buses here, tons of like schools, tons of like everything. Summer camps, you name it. So come to Wild Florida for the first showing, for the first boat tour thing, and it'll be so much better. It's 7-Eleven, so it's free small Slurpee day at 7-Eleven, obviously. We're gonna see how many of these we can get today. Well, this one's number 1 and we have until 7 p.m. to get more. And there's number 2. It's exciting, guys. This is such a good day. And then we're also get these Doritos loaded things. I have no idea what they are, but we're gonna try them, and we'll let you know. So the Doritos loaded potato bite things, I think that's what they're called. I think they're just called like Doritos loaded bites or something. But basically it's a potato bite. And if you've ever had loaded potato bites at Arby's, that's essentially it, just covered in Doritos, like nacho stuff around it.
Not the best.
It wasn't the best at all.
But it wasn't the worst.
But it wasn't the worst. I'd get it again, but I definitely wouldn't go out of my way to get them again. It wasn't that expensive either. Damn it. But we're going to go get some barbecue right now. I'm excited. Gonna try Four Rivers. Never have tried them before. But so we're on our way all the way out there right now, and see if we find any more 7-Elevens also. Probably not so much because we'll be on a highway. But let's get some barbecue. Go. So I guess this is a better angle or a better view of the downtown Orlando skyline. There's a building. It's right there. This one that's right here. It's an apartment complex. Well, I guess like a condo. It's 55 West. So the street that's off of on the side that's facing us is Church Street, and there's lots of bars and stuff that you can go to. Usually around like holidays they have a lot of stuff going on. So yeah, there's downtown again. How exciting. Oh my god, that looks amazing. So this is the Messy Pig. Wifey got sliced pork dinner. Yeah. And then green beans, mac and cheese, fried jalapenos, right? And I got green beans and sweet potato casserole. Almost already completely forgot what I got. Oh, I'm so excited. It was freaking amazing. Absolutely amazing. I'm really full. What about you?
Stuffed like a turkey.
Stuffed like a turkey, but you ate a pig. Finding more 7-Elevens, guys. Where are they? Find them all. I'm so freaking full, but number 3.
You seen a bride and a groom?
Oh yeah, and there was a bride and a groom in there.
Trying to take a selfie?
Yeah, I asked them if they wanted me to take a picture, and they said no, it's a deliberate selfie. I was like, As soon as this lady's dressed, and the first thing I thought of is, hey, she can get a free Chick-fil-A sandwich because she's dressed like a cow.
Maybe she did. Maybe she works at Chick-fil-A.
Maybe. By the way, on 7-Eleven, apparently if you dress like a cow, you get a free meal at Chick-fil-A. Finding out that 7-Eleven is actually like freaking awesome. It's like the best day ever. And number 4. So I don't think I've told you guys what flavors I've gotten. I started off getting the very first one, that was Coca-Cola. Then I got Mountain Dew, and then blueberry Fanta, and this one is Sprite. And I've been trying to get this melon flavored one like 3 times now. I'm gonna get the next one. So this is 4. Let's go for number 5. Well, we're home. It was very fun-filled, packed day. I don't think I could possibly get one more Slurpee. I was gonna go for 5, but we were just like, this. It's not gonna happen. Bear, do you want to say goodnight? No? Okay. So we're just gonna kind of relax for the rest of the evening. We just kind of ate like a few wings, like appetizer-sized wings or whatever, for dinner. And just gonna watch TV, go to bed. That's about it. So I have a ton of work right now ahead of me to edit this whole entire vlog. So this is gonna take me a long time, guys. But it's gotta be up tomorrow. So thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. Hope you had tons of fun on our airboat tour in Wild Florida, I think that's what it's called. And all of our Slurpees and the delicious 4 rivers. Good night, guys.